One thing that I really love about you and like what Wildbird is doing is that you show a lot of your personal life as a mother, and then we also see this business side of Wildbird. And for me, I value both so much. There's so much value in showing your children that you can earn a living for yourself.
Totally.
But also like being there for them.
Exactly. You can do so much with your motherhood too. Like I am like fully invested in motherhood but I'm fully invested in my business as well.
Right.
Like I love spending time doing both. And I feel like I am a better mother because of my business.
Right.
But empowering other mothers to do the same thing, and like they can follow their dreams and can,
Right. There's a lot of like, not a stay-at-home mom or a working mom, like these terms, and I just feel like you don't have to choose one way or the other, and it's okay to do one, it's okay to do the other, and both. Or even bringing I love having the Nana Society, like our online community, and you have the same as well, and it feels good to be able to go there and see how women are interacting and supporting one another.
Yeah.
And I mean, that's really my hope, is that we can always like keep it positive, and be there for one another. Not like necessarily about a product, but maybe the product is what brings people together.
That's the thing. We've always said in Wildbird, and I think you guys have said the same thing, that the product is secondary. Like we're bringing people together like with a common thread of something we share together. You know, like for ours is motherhood and womanhood and just like being together. And including everyone, and that everyone has a voice here, and like we are also different, but we're also beautiful because we're also different.
I think you do such a good job of that.
Thank you.
Like the
you
imagery,
do too.
I love it.
You're so sweet. Yeah, it's just
we love each other.
I love it. But just
I really do feel that way though.
You're so
like
sweet.
I've told you before.
Yeah, it's just like that everyone is important, and everyone has a story, and like be so empowered in your motherhood, and
I love it.